Welcome back to the nuclear magnetic resonance NMR spectroscopy part 8. In this section, I will discuss about some functional groups, their J values and some their coupling behavior or chemical shifts. First of all, in case of alkanes have three types of hydrogens. You know that methyl, methylene and methine. If we consider chemical shifts, for methyl protons, they will generally appear at 0.7 to 1.3 ppm. For methylene, 1.2 to 1.4 ppm, and in case of methine, 1.4 to 1.7 ppm. And their coupling behavior is like that. They are 1, 2, 3, 3 bond coupling 3J, and it is generally 7 to 8 Hz. One example is octane. You can see three types of protons are available here, but A and A, that is these three and these three protons are similar, so appears as a simple one line as a singlet, and these protons are also appears as a singlet. Now in case of alkenes have two types of hydrogen: vinyl, that is those attached directly to the double bond, and allylic hydrogens, those attached to the alpha carbon, the carbon atom attached to the double bond. If we consider chemical shifts of vinylic proton, it appears near 4.5 to 6.5 ppm, and in case of allylic protons, it's 1.6 to 2.6 ppm. If we consider coupling behavior, you can see it is 3 bond coupling. The 3J for trans coupling, it is 11 to 18 Hz, and 3J cis coupling, it is 6 to 15 Hz. If we consider geminal coupling, it is 2 bond coupling 1 and 2, 2J coupling, and it value is nearly 0 to 1 Hz. And in case of allylic coupling, that is it is 4J, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bond coupling, and its value is very low, it is 0 to 3 Hz. For example, 2-methyl 1-pentene, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of protons are available here. The upfilled proton will be the methyl one. You can see here is the A. In presence of these two protons as its neighbor, so it will split into a triplet here, and proton B, due to presence of 3 and 2, total 5 number of neighbors, it will split into sextet here, and this two protons will be appeared as a triplet. These 3 protons will appear as a singlet, and these 2 protons will appear as a doublet. Now if we consider aromatic compounds have two types of hydrogen: aromatic ring hydrogens, that is benzene ring hydrogens, and benzylic hydrogens, that is those attached to an adjacent carbon atom. If we consider chemical shift of those two types of protons, in case of aromatic ring hydrogens, it will appear as at 6.5 to 8 ppm, and in case of benzylic proton, it appears 2.3 to 2.7 ppm. And coupling behavior of these type of protons for J ortho coupling will be 7 to 10 Hz, because it is 3J coupling. In case of meta coupling, it is 4 bond coupling, so its value is 2.223 hertz, and in case of para coupling it is 5 bond coupling, that is long range coupling. Its value is very low and negligible, it is 0 to 1 hertz. This is the spectrum of alpha chloroparagylene. 3 types of protons are available here. This methyl will appear as a singlet, and this methine will appear as another singlet, and all 4 aromatic protons will appear as a multiplet because of they are coupled with each other, and it's appear nearly 7.2 something ppm. Now in case of monosubstituted rings, if the substitution is an alkyl one, in monosubstituted rings with an alkyl substituent, all ring hydrogens come at the same place in the NMR spectrum, and it is for alkyl only. Here apparently the ring current equalizes the electron density at all the carbons of the ring, and therefore at all of the hydrogen atoms will appear as a same place. You can see it is the NMR spectrum of toluene. All 3 protons is here and all 5 protons will appear at 7.2, and it is iconic. All in case of toluene, anytime all 5 protons will appear at 7.2 ppm. Now if the substituent have a unshared pair, in case of electronegative elements with unshared pair, shield the ortho and para ring positions, separating the hydrogens into 2 groups. For example, if X is OH or OR, NH2 or NR2 or ester, you can see these unshared proton will involved into delocalization of the negative charge over 2 ortho and para positions. So electron donating groups shield the ortho and para positions due to resonance. Examples is anisole. You can see it has 2 ortho and 1 para positions, and in case of simple toluene, all 5 protons appears as 7.2 ppm, but presence of OCH3 will differentiate all the 3 positions, and these ortho and para carbon will appear at a shielded position, and 2 meta protons will appear the deshielded one. There is a special effect of carbonyl substituents. When a carbonyl group is attached to the ring, the ortho protons are deshielded by the anisotropic field of carbonyl. You can see the presence of this carbonyl group, these 2 ortho protons will be deshielded by the anisotropic effect of carbonyl compound. The similar type of effect is also possible in case of C double bond C, alkene compounds. Here is the spectrum of acetophenone, and you can see all other meta and para carbons, meta and para hydrogens will appear at similar 7.2 position as in case of toluene, but the 2 ortho protons will appear at nearly 8 ppm. It is highly deshielded. In case of para disubstituted ring, what will happen? In case of para disubstitution, 1,4 disubstituted benzene rings will show a pair of doublets. You can see here this type of doublets will appear when the two groups on the ring are very different. Want to mind that the two groups on the ring are very different. For example, 1-iodo-4-methoxybenzene. You can see the NMR spectrum of 1-iodo-4-methoxybenzene. All three protons will appear here, and these 4 protons you can see will appear as a double doublet. Another spectrum, another example, 1-bromo-4-ethoxybenzene. These are the 3 protons. Due to presence of 2 neighboring protons, it will appear as a triplet, and these 2 protons will appear as a quartet, and these 4 protons as a double doublet. Now, the disubstituted pattern changes as the two groups become more and more similar. All peaks move closer, outer peaks get smaller and finally disappear. Inner peaks get taller and finally merge. Why, when and why? If x not is equal to y, we will get this type of peaks. When x nearly x dash, this type of peaks will arise. Finally, when x is equal to x, the same group, all protons will be equivalent, giving a single peak, that is singlet. For example, 1-amino-4-ethoxybenzene. Both two groups are electron donating and similar type, so the outer peaks will diminishes, forming the inner 2 peaks much more stronger. And it is paraxylene, x is equal to x, and it is a symmetrical compound, so all 6 protons will appear as a singlet and all 4 protons will also appear as a singlet at 7.1 something. And finally, the graph, you can see if R is an alkyl group, it will produce a singlet because all remaining ring protons have identical chemical shift. Here, if X is an electron donating group, it will produce more electron density around the ortho and para protons than the metaprotons, producing separate signals. Ortho para will appear shielded zone and meta will appear as in a deshielded zone. In case of electron withdrawing groups, it decreases electron density around the orthopara protons more than the metaprotons, producing separate signal. You can see the scenario is just different. When X is equal to when carbonyl is present, withdrawing groups such as nitrocarbonyl or other double bonds, it will influenced by anisotropic produce a more pronounced withdrawing effect on the ortho position than the meta and para protons. Ortho will be much more deshielded. When X is equal to Cl, Br or I, rings with electron withdrawing groups such as electronegative halides are more influenced by the electron donating resonance effect than the withdrawing effect. The orthoprotons receive more electron density than the meta and para protons. You can see, for that reason meta and para will be deshielded and ortho will be shielded. In case of para-di substitution, X is equal to Y, same substituent, electronegativity X not is equal to Y, and if X equal to Y, we will get singlet. B will be electronegativity X not is equal to Y, and in case of C, electronegativity X similar to Y. In patterns B and C, 4 signals produced because HA splits HB into a doublet and HB splits HA into a doublet. The B and C patterns are very different because the A and A dash, also B and B dash protons are not magnetically equivalent. Another example, aniline. Here amino group is electron donating and activates the ring, increases the electron density around ortho and paraprotons relative to meta. So chemical shift of ring protons is up-filled decreased ppm. It is the spectra of nitrobenzene. Nitro group is electron withdrawing and deactivates the ring. Protons in ring are deshielded, moving chemical shift downfield. Magnetic anisotropy causes the ortho protons to be more deshielded than the para and meta protons. So it will appear as above 8 ppm, the two ortho protons. In case of parachloroaniline, 2 sets of protons are available, HA and HA dash, HB and HB dash, and they will appear as a double doublet. Para-disubstituted benzene ring, HA and HA dash have same chemical shift, HB and HB dash have same chemical shift. HA is split into doublet by HB and HB is also split into doublet by HA. So 2 sets of peaks produced by relative electronegativity of amino and chlorine groups. Thank you for watching.